Welcome to your June middle school take and make. We are going to be making hemp wish bracelets. Inside your take and make you have an instruction sheet. You have 3 pieces of hemp in 2 different lengths. They are sort of knotted together. And then you have another baggie with 14 beads inside. They are of 2 different colors. So your short hemp is to make a bracelet. Your longer hemp is to make an anklet. And then you can do whatever you want with your beads. You can put all 7 of one color on one and 7 on the other, or mix and match however you would like. You also need to provide your own ruler and either a clipboard or some masking tape. The first step is to take your 3 pieces of hemp and line them up so they are fairly even. And then you are going to tie a knot. There we go. And you want to leave some part on the end. You don't want to do it too close to the top. And pull it nice and tight. There we go. Then if you have a clipboard, you are going to take this part and stick it in and do it close up to the knot like so. And if you have tape instead, you are just going to tape about in the same place where the clipboard is. You're going to tape it to a hard flat surface. Now we can start our braiding. So if you don't know how to braid, you separate your 3 strands and then you just take turns putting a piece in the middle. So first you put the left piece in the middle, then you put the right piece in the middle, then the left piece in the middle, then the right piece in the middle, etc., etc. And you just keep doing that over and over until you have your braid the right length. So if you are making a bracelet, which is what I'm going to be doing here, you want your braid to be 2 to 3 inches in length before we start adding our beads. If you're making an anklet, you are going to braid for 4 to 5 inches. That looks pretty good. I'm going to use my ruler here to measure. So let's see, that's about 2 inches right there. And we are at 2 inches. So I'm just going to add a couple more to get closer to 2.5 inches. There we go. And now we are ready to start adding our beads. So what you're going to do is put the left piece in the middle, but then instead of putting the right piece in the middle right away, you are going to go to the very end and put a bead. String a bead through the hemp. So string it all the way up to where our braid ended. There we go. So now you're going to put the right side over, push the bead up, and then braid the left piece over. Then again, right piece over, but hang on to that piece and put your next bead on. So there we go. There's our first bead and then our second bead. Then put the left piece over, right piece over, but hold on, and put your next bead on. And we're going to do this for all 7 beads. It can get a little bit messy. You kind of have to hold it in place. Oh, this bead doesn't want to go. There we go. And now I'm going to adjust a little bit. Get my yellow one right where it needs to go. And then again, put the left piece over and the right piece over, and then grab a hold of it, put the next bead on. Make sure my braid is done correctly. Okay, left piece, right piece. Okay, and now before I continue my braid, I'm just going to make sure that the bracelet looks good. All the pieces are tight and it's looking good. So I'm going to continue braiding now. There's no more beads to add. So just left over, right over, left over, into the middle, left, right, all the way down another 2 to 3 inches. If it's starting to get loose like mine is here, you can always take it out of your clipboard or move your tape. I try not to put the clipboard over the beads because I don't want to break them, but if you're using tape, you should be able to. And there we go. And now I'm going to take it out, and I'm actually going to compare by putting the pink and the white bead, which is the first and the last bead, together, and holding up the braided part, and see, it looks like I need a little bit more. So I'm going to do a little bit more braiding. And I'm going to compare it again. And yeah, so I want it to end about there. I'm going to tie another knot. There we go. Okay, and there is our finished bracelet. You can trim these edges off a little, but you don't want to trim too much because you want to make sure your bracelet will fit. I hope you had fun making your hemp wish bracelet with me today.